Make sure she doesn't hump
It's the
your
5
nose.
o'clock show.
We're rolling.
Okay. Okay, Matt, here you go.
Oh my
Roar.
God. Roar! Ugh.
god. Roar!
Roar! Hi, guys.
Hi guys. Hi guys. Hi guys. Yeah. That's on it.
I have no idea what to do.
Okay, guys. You can delegate the sign. A little iffy on the sign. Little odd.
I knew what you meant.
But did Matt?
I did not know it was you.
Okay, no, it's
It's a little weird, but
what do you guys think? Matt, you're one. What do you think?
I personally say I'm out, but
Okay.
because there was hesitation.
Well, if you resign your post, then Matt, get out of
She's like
here.
making out the dog over there.
She's got a romance for me or something.
So it goes back to who sent it
Now, actually, we start
Right.
from the beginning again with you.
every time.
Yep. Every
Okay.
time there's a pause or
I'm gonna be
break.
so sticky with dog stuff.
And go.
Hi guys.
Roar.
Roar!
Hi guys. Hi guys. Roar!
Roar! Huh? Huh?
It's another sloth noise.
Oh.
Let's see.
Who starts?
Oh, Matt goes.
Hi
Hi
guys.
guys.
Hi guys. Hi guys. Hi guys.
Roar.
Roar!
Hi guys. Roar.
Roar!
Roar.
Roar!
That was
not the right
That was
number.
like a mix between the two of them.
She had the action right.
Kelsey, I think that was good. His voice is higher.
Yeah, see?
No, it's.
No, those are
It's just-
Yeah, that's way different.
That
That's a
was
sloth and a whale combined.
because yours
Sorry,
is
Kelsey.
right.
Yeah, that's closer than Kelsey can go that deep because he laughs like that.
Okay, back. So we're off.
Okay.
Hi guys.
Hi guys.
Hi guys. Hi guys. Hi guys.
Oh, you're kidding me.
first now goes to Melissa, so you start it off.
Alright.
Oh, good.
Just the four of us.
I love the newbies are doing much better.
I know. I did not expect to do that.
You got professionals.
Professionals.
You're
That was great.
Yeah. Okay, so you
Ready?
start off. Please.
Okay, so this is the last round then with 3?
Yeah.
And then the 2.
Happy girl.
This may be a while though, since I'm like a pro and so Alex and that should be short. It'll be short, yeah.
So you win.
Take us out,
You want?
Gurley. Sit.
Okay. So but 2 people it's done.
Shake.
'cause
Yeah.
Shake.
No, it's not.
No.
You start.
You're starting you.
Shake. Start.
No, you
you
start.
start.
You're first.
Yeah.
No, you start.
Go girl. Go girl. Go girl. Go girl.
Sit. Shake. Shake. Shake.
Do it.